We're back here at Restaurant Impossible Revisited. You probably all remember this clip when I was working on the renovation at Loyd Have Mercy restaurant. Do you remember when I tried that meatloaf and it was awesome? The sauce was creamy. It was amazing.
Customers are happy and the food is absolutely delicious.
I ordered the meatloaf and it is great. The sauce is great, it's creamy and moist. I love it. Well, I'm back here at Loyd Have Mercy to check on that delicious meatloaf. We're gonna try some chicken, some meatloaf, anything else that's on the menu because this place is delicious. We're back here at Loyd Have Mercy.
So you've been to a tough thing for these folks. So it's kind of glad we're back on the road. We're hoping to get this 10 done and the restaurant will come back and hopefully.
Yeah, when I saw the episode, I'm like, he's right. This was the. We came out here like, this is.
Hey, big thanks to Rick for coming back to Loyd Have Mercy. He did a lot of work and now he's dining. Yes. Get out of here!
We just ordered our food. Here we have the famous meatloaf, the barbecue meatloaf with mashed potatoes and green beans. Let's dig right in. You guys probably remember that scene, huh? The sauce is so creamy. The meatloaf is moist. I love it. Wow, this meatloaf is really delicious. I can't believe it. You gotta get down to Loyd Have Mercy. So good. Fried green tomatoes. Oh yeah, these things are so good. They're probably the best around, even the world. Yum!
And this mac and cheese is super extraordinary.
And here at Loyd Have Mercy, we're all a family.
Hi, welcome to Loyd Have Mercy, the best food on this side of heaven.
Yeah!
See you soon.
I'm here with Mary and Andrew here at Loyd Have Mercy. How's it been?
Great,
You
great.
guys have delicious food. The meatloaf's amazing. The chicken's delicious. We wanted to come out here and support you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Problem time. Yep. And I hope you enjoy your restaurant.
Oh yeah,
We are.
yeah,
It's beautiful, the lighting, carpentry work.
yeah, they did a good job. Yeah, we're excited about it. So
How are the customers feeling?
they're feeling good. Some of them are still a little nervous, but other than that, they're still, you know. But with the help of Robert, we're making it more safe for everybody to come out and enjoy wonderful food. You know, sanitizing and just social distancing, wearing our masks in the kitchen, so making sure everyone's safe. So.
If you're in Orlando, get over here in Titusville to Loyd Have Mercy because they make some great food.
Wanda's famous peach cobbler. The best peach cobbler on earth. The best peach cobbler.
Well, that was great. Loyd Have Mercy has delicious food, and if you're in Orlando or in town in Titusville, come on down here and check this place out. Thanks, Restaurant Impossible Revisited. It was great that you guys came by to check on Loyd Have Mercy.
Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.